To stream on Instagram, you need to download our Instagram Connect software. Here on the panel, you have options for Windows, Linux, and Mac. After downloading, extract the file. Then run the installer. After installation, open the software and log in with your hub email and password. Now log in with your Instagram account details. You will need to enter your username and password. Once on this screen, you can change your hub login if necessary. If you have more than one application, you can also switch the application here. You can choose between landscape and portrait format. The portrait format is a vertical image and landscape format is horizontal. If your contracted plan allows streaming on more than one Instagram account, you can add other accounts by clicking the Add User button. Below, you will see the account you previously logged into. If you want to switch accounts, click on the Logout button. To start the live stream, click on the Live button. Remember, before starting the live stream here, you must have already started the live stream in your streaming software. When your status is active, your live stream will already be happening on your account. To end the broadcast, click on the Live button again. If you have any queries, please contact our support.